Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what matters: account access, credits, and a craft with a retrieval net. Once done, load 0. 5. Fuel reserve and test the comm antenna. This prevents mid-flight failures. Next, set target coordinates for the Space Cat signal and reserve the next launch window within 24 hours so timing aligns with the predicted drift. You need the basics working now. Do not delay on cosmetics. Make sure to confirm permissions before you lift off. You adjust your intercept burn to place the craft into a 100-200 meter corridor. Precise timing reduces correction burns. Once within 50 meters, deploy the retrieval net and activate the calming beacon to reduce the cat's stress. This increases successful capture probability. Use fine thruster bursts and keep manual override ready in case drift goes beyond 3 degrees because automated guidance can overcorrect. After securing proximity, slowly close the net and stabilize attitude. You transfer the Space Cat into the cargo module using quiet mode to keep stress low and continually monitor vitals and the stress meter as you move. Once inside, seal the habitat and start a 2-hour acclimation cycle with gradual lighting and temperature adjustment so the animal settles. If anything goes wrong, like the cat escaping or sensors spiking, abort to a safe distance, reassess fuel and calming beacon range, then reattempt after fixing the specific failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.